Diaz Dan. I'm back again. We got some fire on deck right now. We got the Air Jordan 8 playoffs on deck. I am going to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys, man, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. It's been 10 years since these released. The last time these released was 2013. The Aqua 8s is my all-time favorite shoe. These are probably my second favorite out of the 8s. I love these, man. Like, you guys don't know. Every time these released, I got a pair, and that's how much I love them. And in 2023, I'm happy to have another pair of them again, which is great. This is a fire shoe, in my opinion. MJ wore these, and just all-around classic. I'll show you guys how they look and how they look on feet, so you guys can decide if you want to pick them up or not. Let's take a look at that box. Black Jordan box with the gray in the bottom. All right, you got your Nike Air right there. Show you guys the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 8 Retro. The colorway is black, true red, white. All right, inside the box, you got your regular black plastic inside, and that is it. Start off with the outer sole. One of the best outer soles out of all the Jordan Retros, man, the Jordan 8. Just look at that bottom. You can see multicolor in the bottom. You got your yellow, your red, your blue, and your white. Very nice. Now, coming up on the shoe, you do got black on the midsole that goes all the way around. You know, it's just a red, white, black shoe for the Chicago Bulls colors. Now, the sun might be giving it a weird glare, guys, but remember, it's a solid black on this shoe, man. The whole shoe is just a black nubuck, so it's really nice, all right? Now, coming back over here, you got your panel with the red, with the black, and the white, looking fire. You got your little print on the midsole also, as you guys can see. Now, like I said, on the upper of the shoe, it is in nubuck, okay? You got a nice nubuck, and the nubuck is dope. Just straight solid black. Check out the strap. You got your Air Jordan on the strap. Now, of course, you know you can take the straps off and stuff. I will show you guys that in a second. Got perforated holes, as you guys can see. And your ankle support up here with the lines. Medial, same as the lateral. Got your Air Jordan with the strap, your panel, midsole. Now, the midsole does have like a little glitter effect to it. I don't know if y'all can pick it up. Now, as for sizing on these, go true to size. You'll be good to go. When we get to the front of the toe, the material is very nice on the front. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. You just got your black laces on the shoe. Now, I'm going to take the straps off so you guys can see. 1 second. All right, now when I rock my 8s, man, I'm an old school person, man. I rock my shits loose. I'm not going to play ball. I'm using these for fashion, you know what I'm saying? Now, if I was going to play ball, I would strap them up. But I like to leave mine unstrapped. The 23 on the strap, stitched in with the white and the red. Leather behind the straps. Jumpman stitched in with the cushions all around it. Got your red pull tab in the back. You got your panel with the stripes all in the back. The inner sole. Look at the pattern, man. Got your Nike Air inside on the inner sole. It's like an extra booty on here. So when you put them on, you pull the tab, pull the front, and bow. You just stick your feet in there and you be good to go. That's basically it, man. A quick look of these Air Jordan 8 playoffs. I want to know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Are you going for these? Are you passing? Do you still have the pair that released a couple years ago? It's been a solid 10 years and they brought them back. Let's get into this on feet so you guys can see how they looking and if you want to pick them up or not on September 30th. Boy, Diaz Dan, man, let's get into this on feet. And I'm gone.